Hello friends, you can see this is it's a object which works on the principle of thermodynamics. What happens, I will touch away, my hands are warm. I have actually touched this thing. This vessel is warm, so I have warmed my hand. This is a cold winter season going on, and as I will try and touch this, the air inside it will expand due to my warm hand, and this alcohol which is present in red in color will try and rise through this, and let's see what happens then. So this is the thing. You can see that slowly the alcohol is rising, and you can see what happens. There is a fountain that comes out due to my warm hand, and this whole structure is made up of glass. This whole structure is made up of glass, so that when I try and pressurize the hand over here, this is not compressible, and it will not compress, and it will not compress the air in fact, but only the thing is that the air inside it will expand, and the whole thing goes on. Now you will find the same thing keeps on happening over here. See, again it is happening. Now what I do, I will try and touch on top, so that the liquid from top goes down because of the expansion of the air in the reverse manner. You can see now the liquid is rising over here. The whole thing is made up of glass, so there is no factor of compressing or something like that. Now what I will try and do, I will again warm my hand, because my hand has become cold due to the winter season, and this vessel has got some warm hot liquid, and so that I can warm my hand. So I'll keep it and again warm my hand. Now you can see that the liquid from the top has fallen down because of the expansion of air, right? So this whole thing, this is known as the hand boiler, and I'll again try and warm the hand. Well, you can see that I'm warming the hand once again as much as possible, and so that when again I'll do the experiment, then you will find the same thing to happen. Okay, so my hand is well warmed up right now, and let's see what happens again. Well, see, so there's a fountain, good fountain that comes out very nicely, and because it is this glass is incompressible, so whatever fountain you can see, it is only due to the expansion of air that happens inside the hand boiler, lower or upper. Wherever I try and touch the vessel over here with my hot or warm hand, whatever I try and make it, slowly as my hand becomes cold, the things also becomes cold, but the reaction, the things, the alcohol still goes up. When I will touch on top, you can find, see, without touching it doesn't usually flow down totally, but the expansion rapids out. See, it's increasing, the expansion has increased because of my hand touch, and so that the liquid can flow down like this. So this whole structure is the hand boiler, and you can repeat it as much as it is possible, so that you know the whole structure can work like this. Fine. So I hope you've understood this one. Again I try and do now with cold, a little bit cold hand I'm doing. My hand has become cold, and see, the reaction has become little bit slower, because that time my hand was warm, so the reaction is now bit slower, and you can see the fountain does not uh, come out this time, but the alcohol is still rising. Why? Because the hand was a bit warmer. So I'll again warm the hand and reverse the experiment. Let's see once again for the last time. Let's see. I'm warming the hand. My hand has become warmer now. This vessel has got some liquid already. I had prepared it long back, and now my hand has become warmer, quite warmer. Okay, so again I will try and use it as over here. So you can see now the liquid is rising, and again you can see that the fountain is appearing. So more is the hand warm, more warmer is the hand, more will be the liquid that comes out. So this is a significant hand boiler, and it works on the principle of the expansion of air, which is caused by the warm touch or hot touch over here in the both the glass vessels. This whole thing is made up of glass. You can see hear the sound over here. So I hope you've understood. Thank you so much and enjoy.